We don't need to really spend a time or that money for the travel just for us to satisfy our cravings with our own favorite na longanisa. Nan, bago ang kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, this is our second video of our Tita's special series of vlogs that we are promoting their products. Ang video na ito is made specially for Philippine favorite line of products, no? So these are Longanisa. Mostly sa mga products natin today are from other places, except for the first one, which is the Pampanga Recado, skinless Longanisa ng Pampanga. Wanna taste this one? Ito yung Pampanga's pride for their Longanisa. It's a skinless Longanisa. Bilang Kapampangan, hindi tayo pahuhuli sa flavor niyan. So, it's really flavorful. It has a little bit of parang smoky aftertaste, which I really like. Samahan mo pa ng fried rice. Grabe, bawing-bawi ka na talaga. Next Longanisa is Batutay Longanisa of Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Each region, each place has their special procedure on how they prepare the food and at the same time to cook the food. So for this one, when we cooked it initially, so we heated the pan and then added water. Longanisa itself has its own fat. Nung na-dry up na yung water, it's a little bit cooked yung skin ng longanisa natin. And then yung the fat inside nung batutay natin, cook the longanisa itself inside it. Okay. To tell you honestly, of all the longanisa that I cooked earlier dito, si Batutay Longanisa yung may pinakamabango na aroma while cooking it. More rice. Okay, so next to taste, guys, I'm really excited with this one. This is the vegan Longanisa. So we've been to vegan for quite some time, and nalaman ko doon na very minimalist yung mga taga Ilocos. Para sa akin, yung pagkaka-prepare ng mga longanisa nila are not that much extravagant as we prepare them dito sa Pampanga. But nonetheless, again, it has its own distinct flavor, ingredients, comparing it with the other longanisa that we have in this table. This is the Lokban Longanisa. Lokban naman is from Quezon, no? The province of Quezon. In all honesty, hindi pa ako masyadong nakapasyal doon. So, this is gonna be my first time. My personal take, yung Lokban Longanisa natin has a little bit of pagkakatulad dun sa vegan natin. It's not that sweet comparing it with the Kapampangan Recado. Hindi rin naman siya ganun ka-aromatic compared with the Batutay Longanisa. So again, I think what Tita's Special is trying to do here is we don't need to really, spend a time or that money for the travel just for us to, satisfy our cravings with our own mga favorite na longanisa. Bilang Kapampangang vlogger, medyo biased tayo sa mga products natin. So, I think my favorite for this batch or for this video, I'm gonna go, of course, for the Pampanga de Recado.
Watch out for these upcoming products: Chorizo de Cebu, Alaminos Longanisa, Kalumpit Longaniza, and Bacolod Longaniza.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The other videos that we did for Tita's Special, make sure to check out yung description natin. We're gonna be linking all the contents that we did for Tita's Special. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm gonna share this with my family. And kumbaga, we're gonna do parang road trip na rin sa La Mesa. We're gonna be traveling through different places sa pamagitan ng mga lasa ng mga probinsya na favorite natin sa mga longanisa. So there you have it. Thanks for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye!